The Logitech MX Master 2S has finally arrived. I bought it with my Prime membership on Amazon, so it only took 2 days to arrive here. But that's enough talking, let's get started with the video. In the box, you would find the mouse, the USB unifying adapter, a full-size USB to micro USB cable, and some more documents. Because the mouse was about $100 in the United States, but it was always on sale on Amazon and other websites for $80 to $70. This mouse is a steal for most people. However, this is just the first impression, so I don't yet know how good the mouse is, but I'll make a review of that later. The packaging is amazing, with magnetic covers and everything. The packaging is on par to some more expensive mouses, which means they paid careful attention to every aspect, which is respected. Once I held the mouse in my hands, I thought it felt really premium. It has some heft to it, but it's not bad to carry around. You can clearly see the cables are quite high quality, although I would have wished the mouse to charge with USB-C instead of micro USB as it's 2019 already. But I'm very impressed at the cable quality. It doesn't seem like it's gonna break ever, which is quite an accomplishment. The entire mouse is made of plastic, but it doesn't make it feel any less premium. All the keys and buttons are very tactic, and the scroll wheels are great. The surface of the mouse is covered in a soft material, while all the buttons are made of hard plastic. This gives it a great contrasting feel on the hand. Thanks for watching! Stay tuned for a full review of the product. Meanwhile, you can subscribe to me so you won't miss the video when it drops. Don't forget to check out some of my other videos too. Alright then, goodbye.